Hi, I'm CariAnn at Anani Salon and Spa, and today we're going to be showing you how to do some simple summer beach waves. This is my model, Danny. We prepped Danny this morning with surf shampoo and conditioner. They're just a great base product that's going to help add some texture to the hair, which is obviously what we want with beach waves. Then we also use tonic throughout her scalp and ends, and then we sprayed surf spray on there, especially at the roots, like when it's dry. It's going to help give a little extra volume and texture. And then we blow dried it with just a flat brush, and now we're going to use the curling iron for the waves. So we have a 1-inch iron today, and we are just going to take really big sections. Sectioning doesn't have to be perfect at all for this. It's kind of the whole point, just to have loose beach waves. So we're just going to kind of move out her bangs here. We're going to take just kind of a big part right before her ear. Going to open up the curling iron and just kind of start to wrap it around here. We're going to kind of leave out a little bit of the ends because we don't want it to be that perfect curl. And we're just going to let it hang there and cool off. We don't really want the bangs to be really curly, so I'm just going to give a little extra volume up underneath here, and then just kind of slide it out through here so it has a little bit of bend. So we're going to let those ones curl and just come right over here then. And do kind of the same thing, just going to kind of separate it out. Do a big section here in front of her ear. So we'll let this side cool, and we'll kind of piece out this side. So we're going to use the surf spray again. Just kind of spray it throughout. And we're just really going to kind of just play with it a bit. Just really loosen it up. Make it look like she just came out of the water here. And do the same on this side now that they're kind of cool. How's that looking for you? Awesome. All right, and there we have some beach waves today.